After seeing this, you're going to put deodorant under the breast immediately. The deodorant is an article of hygiene essential for most people. If you ever forget put deodorant in the morning, almost always you notice the unpleasant whiff bouncing your armpits at any time of day. It is not surprising that almost 1 in 3 people have a deodorant at home. However, you can use to solve much more. 1. Prevents sweat under the breasts. No matter if you wear a bra or not, the summer heat can cause many women an intense sweat under the breasts. This not only uncomfortable, also favors reproduction of viruses and bacteria. In this case, it is best to prevent the onset of applying deodorant sweat under the breasts every morning. You can do this in many other parts of the body. It all depends on the areas of your body that are more prone to sweat. 2. Eliminates pimples. Deodorant not only effectively removes unpleasant odors from the body, also pimples. Apply your pimples in points black some deodorant. This will purify your skin. Of course, you can also use a deodorant roll-on. You better make sure that contains antiperspirant deodorant, since its effect ensures that the underarms stay dry. This type of deodorant is also very useful to combat pimples. 3. Prevents sunglasses slipping through the nose. Almost everyone gets very cranky when sunglasses begin to slide on the nose with sweat that accumulates in the frame. You can avoid rubbing antiperspirant deodorant around glasses. In this way, your sunglasses will remain in place. 4. Prevents hair sticking to the skin. Many women are familiar with this problem that the days of heat or humidity usually appears after fix your hair. You go out and then curling and begins to stick to the body. Sweat in the hair, especially the forehead and neck, it can cause a greasy appearance. In this case, an antiperspirant deodorant also works wonders. Apply deodorant around the hairline and not have to face this problem anymore. 5. Put yourself tight jeans. The jeans tight are extremely popular today, but they have a disadvantage. As the name implies, they have a cut very tight, so many people must be compressed inside the jeans with a great effort. But for a woman this has no importance if it is your favorite pants. You can prevent this discomfort deodorant drawing a line from the top of the thighs to her ankles. From now on, you'll glide smoothly into your jeans tight as easily as if it were a pair of sweatpants. 6. Avoid discoloration of clothes. If you sit on a black chair with a light summer dress very long, your sweat will eventually leave marks on the back, but you can avoid using antiperspirant deodorant on the back. With this you make sure that there will sweat in that part of your body. This is also effective to prevent discoloration of clothes method. 7. Prevents night sweat baths. To many people it has happened before. I wake up drenched in sweat in the morning after having nightmares or have slept during a hot summer night. Your antiperspirant deodorant will set you up in this case. Just put a little on your back. However, if you sweat profusely frequently, you should consult a doctor. Some diseases can cause night sweats. 8. Prevents foot odor. The deodorant effect of underarm can also be obtained in the case of malodorous feet. The feet have 250,000 sweat glands, more than any other body part, so you should pay special attention to hygiene. Appliques a generous amount of deodorant spray. Do not forget to do the same with the soles of the feet and shoes. 9. Avoid annoying blisters, or newly purchased shoes which are tight can cause annoying and painful blisters quickly. Moisture shoes can make matters worse and favor the formation of blisters. An antiperspirant could combat this problem, because it absorbs sweat. Unpleasant shoes or even prevent it completely. 10. Prevent shaving irritation. For many women, shaving the bikini area, especially in summer, it is essential, but often, the unpleasant appear red pimples, which are caused by skin contact with a razor. An antiperspirant deodorant can help prevent the occurrence of these granites. Simply apply it right after shaving the bikini area and your skin will be soft. Take advantage of these useful applications of deodorant. Though it may seem odd at first, rub under the breasts, face or legs, totally worth it.